2012 Nissan Sentra. Having electrical problems, you need to check your crimp ground connection. Okay? You have a P0300 misfire, you need to check and make sure you're getting a complete ground circuit going to your connectors. Okay? So you got two here by the fuse box, one here on the negative side of the battery. You got one here by the knock sensor. You got one here by the alternator. You got one here on the motor mount. And there's many more. Nissan known for engine misfire. You need to check and make sure you're getting a complete circuit. Check for infinity resistance with a multimeter. Alright, so the way you want to do that is put one of the probe in the connector ground and go to ground of the vehicle and see if you have a complete circuit. Alright, so anytime you put in new ignition coil into a Nissan or any vehicle, you need to check, make sure you have a complete circuit, not just the ground, but the power wire too. Okay? Because you're going to have misfire. Alright? Later.